I was recently sent this light. It has a oh, there's some money apparently. It has a magnet on the bottom, a belt clip, and two separate buttons that control two separate lights. You got these 3 LEDs in the front, and then you've got these other LEDs here on the side, plus the light swivels like this. Let's take a look at what it can do when it gets dark out. Double click here. Press and then to adjust this. Press and hold turn off. Is also adjustable. This would be great for a bicycle. That's not a bad light either. Also has this double white LED, which is just about right for doing what I have to do. And press to turn off.